morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Excuse my massive pimple on my chin. We love that. Anyways, I had a really chill day yesterday with the kids. As you guys saw, we did some cleaning. Our dog decided to run away for a bit, so that was great. But yeah, today's gonna be pretty chill. I don't think we're gonna be leaving the house at all. It is snowing, like, a fair amount, more than yesterday. So we're probably just gonna stay home, play with the kids. But for now, I'm just gonna get ready. So I'm gonna have a shower, have some breakfast, do my makeup. So you guys will be seeing that in this montage. Bye.
Once I done my breakfast, I came to vlog.
Can you say? What did you draw?
I don't want to.
Please tell me what you drew. Then you can watch it after.
I got a big pickle.
And then what else?
2 eggs.
Nice. Good job. where are your boots, honey? Are they by the back door? Are they in the laundry room, baby?
Yeah.
Let's go look.
No. Here.
Let's go hunt for the boots. Mommy's got to find her boots too. Ah, there they are. The big mess of shoes.
Yeah, big mess of shoes.
There's Mommy's Uggs. Good enough for me. Your boots are on the wrong feet, Missy Boo. Try again.
I need help.
No, sit on your bum bum. Oh, there you go. There's one. Okay. Oh, careful. Stand it up, babe. Good job. She looks like a little marshmallow. Look at her. Go show Dad your outfit. You can go aside, Daisy.
Nice.
She's gonna be real cozy. Hey, Grayson. Let's close these doors. We can go play in the snow.
Yeah.
Looks like my hair's like in a ponytail, but it's just not. I'm gonna just tuck it in. Are you ready? Oh, you need gloves.
Yeah, I need gloves. Hey, that's Grayson.
No, those ones are yours.
Oh.
She thought Grayson's were hers.
Huh?
She thought Grayson's were hers yesterday.
Daisy, you're gonna knock over the camera. She's smelling the camera. Hey? Oh, girl.
It's fine, Grayson. It's
Well,
fine.
put it on outside, honey. He'll realize it's cold.
Yeah, put these on.
Let's turn that light off. Okay, wanna go outside, Daisy? Push. Come on, Daisy. Start early. Here comes Daisy. Whoa, so snowy. There's Rolo. Hey, Rolls. Whoa! You okay? Time to play in the snow. Wow. These dogs love the snow. What are you doing? Go play. Go get him. Rollo, that's a rake. Okay, you gonna show me your snow angel? Should we find lots of snow over here? Let's go right here. This is a good spot right there. Woohoo! Okay. Look at your snow angel. Beautiful.
Let's play a snowman.
Let's build a snowman? Okay.
This good spot.
Just a second.
Babe,
Yeah?
can you come help him down the stairs? I'm not
Yeah.
quite ready yet. Okay, go
Come
see
on.
Mom.
Oh, he looks so cute.
Go on, go see Mom.
There you go. Good
job. Roll up. Roll. You ready? Oh, good job.
Spoon.
There's 1 cup.
Thank you.
There's 2 cups. How about you have this cup because it's a little bit bigger.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys gotta put some hot chocolate mix in your cup.
2. Just 2. 2.
Yeah, 2. 1 more.
2.
Good job. Okay, Mommy's gonna warm up some water.
Okay.
Some nice warm water for you guys. Put some water in it, and you're gonna stir it up, okay? No, Grayson. Mommy's gonna put water. You stir it now, okay?
Okay.
Stir. Let me help you. Stir, stir. Okay. Now we're gonna take out the spoons. Put them in the sink. And then we're gonna put some marshmallows.
Yeah.
Here, Grayson, put some marshmallows in. There you go.
Done.
Good job. Okay, we're gonna go to the table. Here's your hot chocolate, Miss Airly. Do we need some help, Grayson?
Yeah.
And we're gonna put this back on. Ooh. And let's turn you around. They made their own hot chocolate, Daddy.
Nice.
They both did.
Good job, guys.
There's a little bit of a mess on the counter. Oh, the hot chocolate powder. That's okay.
This is messy.
Here you go.
Thank you. I just need to keep this here.
Oh, okay.
So this is spill.
Okay, sounds good, baby. Is that good, Grayson? Yummy hot chocolate. Are we going to Grandma and Grandpa's?
Okay, you guys make sure you hold hands, okay?
Oh, buddy, he's hopping. You're so sore.
Lie down.
Go lie down, bud.
Lie down. Come here. Lie down. Lie
Daisy,
Easy, get me. Stay, okay?
lie down.
If it helps,
Stay.
you're doing better than Oliver.
Lie down.
He fainted when I told him.
Yes, I know. Lie down. Good girl. Yeah, he's sore. How's it? Does it feel okay?
Listen, if you're gonna be mad, don't be mad at Miley. She wanted to tell
Well, it
you,
doesn't
but-
seem like he's sore when you're touching it. You guys, that is all for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.